it's a lot easier to get a scheme through if you're not demolishing the whole structure and you're planning on keeping what's already there. It's looked on a bit more favourably by developers, by the planning committees. If the structure has been assessed and they think there's some redundancy in it, this is getting quite common now in London, is they'll look to see if they can put another floor on top of the existing building. This will typically be in CLT, cross-laminated timber, or a lightweight steel structure, and you can put 1, 2, maybe 3 extra floors on top of a structure, and then you might be messing around with the core, changing the lift shaft arrangement, changing stairs, that sort of thing. If you're changing the use of the structure, so potentially going forward, if people don't go back to the office, then you'll be potentially looking at changing office buildings into residential, and then there'll be a lot of messing around with cut and carve of buildings to change the use, I would expect. If your facade or the structure is of historical importance, then you're probably not going to get away with demolishing it, therefore you're going to have to keep it. And the other one that's becoming increasingly more important is environmental considerations. So people or it's certainly being considered far more detail than it was even going back a year or two ago, how your carbon footprint is, how it looks for the structure. Obviously, if you can keep a part of the structure and build upon that, it's going to cost you a lot less, not just in money, but in carbon, than if you demolish it all and start again from scratch. So it's something I think that's going to increase as we go forward, the amount of cut and carve work, as opposed to full demolition.